If you're building a WordPress website and want a fast, familiar way to connect with your visitors, Facebook Messenger might be exactly what you need. With nearly 1 billion users worldwide in 2025, Messenger continues to be one of the most popular messaging apps on the planet. From India to Brazil, millions rely on it every day, not just for chatting with friends, but for connecting with businesses. So, why Messenger for your website? It's free, fast, and easy to use. Lets you send files, images, and even voice notes. Supports live chat, chatbots, and in-app payments. Helps you run ads, capture leads, and provide 24/7 support. And it has already been used by big names like Hyundai, Newschick, and more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly connect your Facebook Messenger to your WordPress site using Chaty. Let's get started. So connecting your Facebook Messenger to your WordPress website is fairly easy. I'm going to use the Chaty plugin, which was previously installed. I also have an existing widget which I'm going to edit. I had previously added the Chatway live chat channel, the WhatsApp channel, an email, a contact form channel, and a Telegram channel. Now I'm going to add the Facebook Messenger channel. And all I really have to do is enter a Facebook URL in this field. So I'm going to grab the URL of one of my Facebook pages. I'm going to use this one. So all I'm going to do is to select the link, copy the link, and I'm going to paste that into WordPress. So back to WordPress, I'm going to paste it there, and there is a test button here which I'm going to touch, and it's going to open up on that same Facebook page. So as you can see, it loads on the Facebook page, and it actually asks if it redirected to the correct Facebook Messenger link. So I'm going to say yes, correct. And now I'm going to save the widget, and I will finally clear cache, which will enable the changes that I have just made. So I'm just going to open up a previous post, hit quick edit, and enter a space in the previous post and update, and that will have cleared the cache on my WordPress site. And now I'm on my mobile device, and what I'm going to do is to open up the Chaty widget, which is located on the lower right corner. And as you can see, I have different channels here. I have the Chatway channel, I have an email, Telegram, contact form, a WhatsApp, and I also have a Facebook Messenger. So I'm just going to go ahead and touch this Facebook Messenger, and as you can see, it opened up directly to the page that it had previously opened on. So this is definitely working, and now I can go ahead and use Facebook Messenger to communicate with my customers. So as you can see, that is how you easily connect your Facebook Messenger with your WordPress site using Chaty. But now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.